Hey, true believers and fellow Mouseketeers, Englantine, the homegrown tourist here. And this is another part of our anniversary trip to Animal Kingdom. We went through another jungle trek to go see the apes and ended up getting caught in an aviary where everything was nesting. It was so cool. And there was these two birds that kept strafing people. And one tried to grab something from my hat. You got to check it out. I hope you'll enjoy. Alrighty, Mouseketeers, I am at the Royal Anandapur Tea Company, and we just got this right here, and this is a green blackberry jasmine tea, and I'm gonna see if this is as refreshing as the mint tea. Alright.
Just a frozen cup of 606.
Alrighty, no, it's not as refreshing as the mint tea. Our big problem with this one, it's very strong. It's $3 with the annual pass, so it's $3.50 without, and it's blackberry and green tea. And I think there's a kickback with the blackberry, because you can definitely get a bitter aftertaste. Hold it.
Yeah, I like unsweet tea, but
Yeah.
I remember this thing.
I like the okapi. Yep. And there he goes, walking away. And we're going into the research center. Observing spider tortoise. Oh, there he is, right back here. There he is. Gail wants one of those. Whoa, that is one big old frog. That's where you get the frog legs from. Good.
Don't like the snakes.
Oh, right here.
It's a lizard.
This is the ornate spiny-tailed lizard from eastern Egypt.
Oh, wow.
And that's him right there. Ornate spiny-tailed lizard.
He is Spiny-Tailed.
Oh, here he is. He's on his back. Not a great place to be. But this is the flamboyant flowering beetle. And right now he's in trouble. Yeah, you do that. Here we have Demelza Boa Constructor. You see him in the back over there. Gail's like, nah, I see boa constrictors all the time. Boa constrictors, not constructors. They're not building things, they're constricting things. There he is, right under the stick.
Look at how fun they are. Look how fun these puppies.
And this guy is the Eric's.
You can buy those.
I can't pronounce it. And here we have the Pancake Tortoise. Where would we find the Pancake Tortoise? I'm not finding the Pancake Tortoise. There he is, right in the corner. Baby mice! Little baby mice. Where's that? You see it right there?
They're babies of what? Beavers?
Mole rats. These are mole rats. I don't think those are babies. I just think those are naked mole rats. That is a huge collection of naked mole rats. And who is this right in front of me?
It's a feather golden beaver. They're building tons of tiny little basket nests. And the hammerkop are working on their really big nest up in the tree.
He is really a pretty bird.
Look behind you, Aaron.
Okay.
He's got a big...
Oh, right, this guy, right up top? With the nest, is that who you're saying?
No, there was a big one up here.
Oh wow. The nest that big bird was making.
Oh, that bird just crazy.
See, look at he's got a bunch of stuff in his mouth.
Oh, I got lucky. He just hit me in the head.
It might have been water.
So let's get out of here.
That bird freaking attacked, man. What's up with you? What? You hit me in the head, bird. What's up? I'm focusing on this guy because he literally hit me in the head. He flies over and he clipped my hat. I don't know, maybe he saw one of the pins that are on it and thought it was shiny and needed to go in the nest. It was very, very funny though. Maybe he's inside. He's done with his nest and now he's good. Woo! And down here we have ducklings. They're so cute. Hey, Gilly. Hey, what's up? You gonna hit me in the head again? What's going on? Down there. No, not the fish. Yeah, the babies. Go on. We know where you're going. It's okay.
Look out. Look, there's baby ducks.
Little baby ducks. Okay, they're cute. That bird is still strafing people over here. Oh, and there's a nest right there they're climbing into. Look at that. They're just nesting all over the place here, aren't they?
They're building on them. Some of them don't have, look at him. He doesn't have all his nest built. He's only got half a circle built. See, he's only got half a circle built too.
Yeah.
These guys,
They're still...
they all have their nests at
different stages, yeah. That is funky. I mean, it's a whole bunch of the same kind of bird with all different kind of nests at different stages. Huh. They are cute though. This aviary is a little bit more interesting and fun than the other ones because obviously everybody's nesting. We got the big birds over here attacking people. That is funky. It's really cool. If I focus the camera on anything, it would be more interesting.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look. Look. Oh, my goodness.
Oh. He's in the water, hon. Straight ahead.
These are all extinct.
No, they're not. If they were extinct, they wouldn't be in here.
About to be extinct.
No.
A lot of them are Disney.
Where?
A hippo! A hippo! Right there!
Went under.
Yep. The friendliest, happiest animals in the world. You ever see that? I showed you that video of the hippos attacking people. Can't see it underwater.
Oh, whoa!
Oh, whoa! Here he is.
Holy cow!
Well, he's filling the frame. That's how big he is.
A hippo!
Hey.
Yeah, it's one of our hippo. Hanging up hippo. Oh my goodness!
Oh,
Sorry. That's a big one. Oh my god, that's a big one. I said hippo. I know.
That's a huge animal. Oh, wow.
Bring up and look, he's coming.
that is so cool. Okay, gang, now you've heard about hidden Mickeys, but look at this rock. Right there, you see? That is a hidden Jafar. Not a lot of people notice it because when you walk, you're walking from this direction, so your back is turned to it. But there you go, from Aladdin, there you go, hidden Jafar. Cool, cool, cool. Funny thing is, the kids next to me actually got scared because the hippo literally came out of nowhere. right in front of us. It was really cool. Anyway, what do you guys think of the video? Let us know in the comments below. What are your favorite animals to watch? That'd be cool to learn as well. And if you like the video, please click like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't done it already, because cool things happen around these parts. Like one of the videos that are popping up around about now. You can click on one of those too. Hopefully you'll enjoy that as well. Don't forget to go on over to Patreon or to Ko-Fi to help out our channel, or we have a new storefront on Amazon. So if you would like something Disney-like, by all means, click on that link, buy something that helps the channel as well. I'd like to thank everybody who's already done that, and to everyone, all of the true believers and the Mouseketeers. Thank you very, very much for watching, and see you real soon.